Hello guys, it's me Yosh, and Jilly Alabang invited me to review the new Jilly GX3 Pro. Let's go guys.
Hi guys, I'm Christian Duty from Jilly Alabang branch. We invite Yosh to review Jilly GX3 Pro Comfort, top of the line. Hi Yosh, this is the 2025 GX3 Pro Comfort. This is the daytime running light.
Yeah.
And the headlight is halogen.
Yeah.
Then the grill. Then the mugs here. This one naman is naka 16 na siya yung mugs niya. Then naka carbon na rin yung mirror niya and meron na siyang turning light signal.
Yeah.
Then if you look this naman sa likod, ito naman yung trunk niya sa likod. Pwede nyo naman yun. When you open this, makikita nyo na dito yung spare tire nasa loob. Then may kasama na yan na early warning device. Tapos yung tools niya nasa loob naman ng unit. Tapos meron na rin siyang takip para i-cover yung mga gamit dito sa ilalim. Let's get inside. Yes. Bali, Yosh, this is the power button ng window. Ayan. Then, the unlock and lock ng unit. We have a cruise control, limit. Then, dito naman yung sa ilaw natin. Yung headlight. Dito na yung command niya. Then, yung ilaw naman natin, na-adjust naman siya. Yung headlight natin. Pag nakita mo yung ilaw natin, pwede natin i-adjust yan pababa or pataas. Bali dito naman meron tayong button na para sa mute tsaka sa volume ng sounds. This is naman is piano type aircon switch. Yan. Dito nyo makikita kung gusto mo i-on and off. Then the storage meron na rin tayo. And the other storage and armrest meron na rin tayo. Dito naman sa infotainment, we have Easy Connect, but wala tayong Apple CarPlay. Pero Easy Connect, same lang sila na mirroring. Pwede mo siya i-connect through phone, Android phone. And wait, meron tayong sunroof. And na-open natin yan. Natin. Tsaka yung mga ilaw natin is LED light na.
Nice.
If may ilalagay naman kayo na malalaking bagay dito sa likod, pwede nyo naman ito i-fold. Like this. And kaya malaki na yung malalagay yung gamit dyan sa likod.
Nice.
Check naman natin yung passenger sa likod. Bali, makikita natin yung legroom natin doon kung malaki pa. Ako ngayon, height ko ngayon is 5'11". Check natin sa loob. Yan. Meron pa tayong isang dangkal. We have then the USB port.
It's very nice, comfortable, and it feels like a mini SUV.
Ito na po yung engine bay ng GX3 Pro. This is the battery, the fuse box, computer box, nandito na rin po, the coolant, brake fluid, and the engine is 1.5 engine na naka 4 cylinder na. Kaya kahit paakyat, pataas, maraming nakasakay, kayang-kaya na itong unit na to. Wait Josh, may kasama pa tong this one, umbrella. Geely umbrella.
I think I'm going to buy this car because of the umbrella.
Sure? You buy this one?
Yes. Yes.
Tara, ayusin natin yung papel sa taas.
Yeah.
So, I invite Josh to review the Geely GX3 Pro 2025. Hindi ko na-expect na magugustuhan ni Josh yung 2025 Geely GX3 Pro. Kasi nakita niyo yung payong na to. Kaya mag-avail na siya at order na. Mag-ayos na kami ng papel sa taas.
The documents, guys. Hi guys, I'm waiting for my new car. It's gonna deliver it here.
Good morning, sir. I'm Chris, agent po ni Geely Alabang. Dineliver ko po yung unit para kay Yosh. Yosh, check natin yung unit. Ito, open lang natin para makita.
This is the Geely GX3 Pro, and has more details. The seat is comfortable. They have a manual. I think they...
Pwede mo rin siyang i-access dito yung window lahat nung nakasakay dito. Pwede mo siya i-lock para hindi nila mabuksan yung window. Then meron na din to unlock, tsaka automatic na rin siya magla-lock. Tapos dito naman sir, makikita mo yung gauge natin kung ilang kilometer pa. Yung unit na kayang takbuhin na itong unit. Then yung odo, makikita rin. As dito naman yung mga button ng side mirror dito. This is the left side.
Yeah, okay.
Tapos yung headlight natin, pwede natin siya i-adjust pataas, pababa. Para kung gusto mo ng maliwanag o gusto mo yung patarik yung ilaw, pwede rin dito. Pwede nyo i-adjust dito. May bilang naman to 1 to hanggang 3.
Yeah.
Then the button naman po dito is yung para sa aircon, sa hazard, sa climate control. Pwede mo i-max na agad. Fog light, defogger meron na. Wala lang tong Apple CarPlay, but we have Easy Connect. Yun lang naman. Ikaw, Yosh, baka may gusto kong tanong regarding dyan.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's great. Yeah.
Bali sir, na dagdagan na rin to ng coolant natin. Tapos sir, yung alam mo yung pinipihit dito sir, dito siya nakalagay. Congrats pala yun sa bago mong car. And shoutout nga po pala kay Mayor Isko Moreno and kay Colonel Bong Nebria. And yes, bago may may masasabi ka.
It was detailed and it was good. It was like so good when I try this car. Yeah.